Hey, this is Eric Jameson. I'm the Business Development Manager for Drone Solutions here at Exertis Almo. I just wanted to walk you guys through. The idea here is that we're having AV integrators be able to connect the dots to understand drones and how they apply into the space for them. Your customers, at the bottom line is your customers are selling drone and they're buying drones. They could be buying them from you, but they're buying them from other people right now. So you can get into this space. We can help you get into this space, whether it's through command and control, as a great example, where you're already working in the command and control space, the ability for you to then offer the products that are going to move into that solution for the data is where you're going to get the opportunity with drones. Or if you're selling to the verticals, education, if you're selling to universities, higher ed, any of those places are going to have drone programs, or they're implementing drone programs. So again, a great opportunity for you, but this is a perfect space for AV integrators to move into to expand their business profile.